In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets under $500 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Artist 12 Pro. The XPPen Pen Tablet Monitor is a cutting-edge digital drawing device designed for artists and creators seeking precision and performance. With a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 and a 11.5-inch diagonal screen size, this tablet monitor offers a high-definition display for immersive digital artwork. Boasting 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5,080 LPI, it provides exceptional sensitivity and accuracy for detailed drawing and design work. Manufactured in mainland China under the XPPen brand and certified with CE, EAC, FCC, and KC standards, this tablet monitor ensures quality and compliance with international regulations. Measuring 352 mm in length, 226 mm in width, and 12.9 mm in height, the tablet monitor provides a sleek and compact design for comfortable use. Constructed with ABS material, it offers a balance of durability and lightweight construction. Featuring a USB interface, the XPPen tablet monitor supports seamless connectivity for efficient digital art creation. The tablet monitor features an active area of 256.32 mm x 144.18 mm, providing ample space for creative work while maintaining a portable form factor. Number 2. XPPen Artist Pro 16 Graphics Tablet. The XPPen Graphic Tablet is a versatile digital tablet designed to elevate your digital art and design experience. With a 16 screen boasting a high resolution of 2560 x 1600 and offering an impressive 5080 LPI resolution ratio, this tablet provides intricate detail and vibrant colors for your creative work. Equipped with the X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus, it offers an exceptional pressure sensitivity of 16384 levels, allowing for precise and nuanced pen strokes. The stylus has an initial activation force of just 3G, providing a natural drawing feel. It also supports tilt functionality up to 60 degrees for enhanced expression in your artwork. This XPPen graphic tablet is packed with professional-grade features, including full lamination technology that minimizes parallax and provides an immersive drawing experience. With typical brightness of 250 CD per square meter and a contrast ratio of 1200:1, it ensures vivid visuals with deep blacks. This high-quality digital tablet comes in black and gray color options. Number 3. GAOMON PD 1561 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON Pen Tablet Monitor is a high-quality digital tablet designed for artists and professionals. It features a 15.6 screen with a resolution of 1920 x 1080, providing clear and detailed visuals. The tablet uses IPS technology, ensuring accurate colors and wide viewing angles. The pressure-sensitive pen included with the tablet offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise and natural drawing or writing. The tablet also has a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, providing smooth and detailed input. With an active area of 452, 4 by 252 mm, this tablet gives you ample space to work on your projects. It supports USB connectivity for easy connection to your computer or laptop. Overall, the GAOMON Pen Tablet Monitor provides professional-level features in a compact and portable design, making it ideal for artists on the go or professionals who require precision in their work. Number 4. UGEE UE 12 Plus Digital Pen Tablet. The UGEE Pen Tablet Monitor is a versatile and high-performing digital tablet designed for artists and professionals. With a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 and a 12 diagonal size, this tablet offers clear and vibrant visuals for your artwork or design projects. The pressure sensitivity of the included pen reaches up to 8,192 levels, allowing for precise and nuanced strokes. The tablet also has a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, providing detailed input. Made from ABS material, this tablet is durable and sturdy. It supports USB connectivity, making it easy to connect to your computer or laptop. The tablet supports tilt recognition up to 60 degrees, allowing for enhanced expression in your drawings or designs. It also has full lamination technology and anti-glare properties, minimizing parallax and providing an immersive drawing experience. Number 5. GAOMON PD 2200 Tablet. The GAOMON Pen Tablet Monitor is a high-quality digital tablet designed for artists and professionals. With a large 22 screen and a resolution of 1920x1080, this tablet provides clear and detailed visuals. The pressure-sensitive pen included with the tablet offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise and natural drawing or writing. The tablet also has a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, providing smooth and detailed input. With an active area of 476.64 x 268.11 mm, this tablet gives you ample space to work on your projects. It supports USB connectivity for easy connection to your computer or laptop. Made from IPS plastic material, this tablet is durable and reliable. It features full lamination technology, ensuring accurate colors and reducing glare for an immersive drawing experience.